Today I baked a baby Black Forest cake. We are just two people, but I craved so much for Black Forest cake, and there is no real bakery around that can do an awesome job with it. It's a bit of work, but trust me, it's worth it. The main ingredients are 50 grams all-purpose flour, 38 grams cornstarch, and 3 eggs, plus 25 grams unsweetened cocoa, half a pack of baking powder, I used the full pack, and 125 grams of sugar. In addition, you need a glass of sour cherries. I didn't have any German cherry schnapps anymore, so I mixed some cherry brandy and vodka 50-50. Plus you need a big pack of whipping cream. I separated the egg white and egg yolk and beat the egg white until I get a rigid foam. That rigid foam goes into the fridge until everything else is done. Then I beat the 3 egg yolks, the sugar, and add 3 tablespoons of hot water and fire up the mixer. This will take easily 10-15 minutes until it's a nice cream. So for time being we mix up the other dry ingredients into a nice powder and fire up the oven, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. My Bosch machine is actually a bit oversized for just 3 egg yolks, so I started to do the hand mixer until everything was really nice and creamy. Now we can sieve the dry stuff into that egg yolk cream. Plus we add the egg white foam that we kept in the fridge. And gently start to mix these 3 ingredients together. Be gentle, don't beat it up, you don't want to destroy the foamy structure of the ingredients. We put the parchment paper into our form, and then we add the dough, that mass we created, into this form. Make sure the dough is evenly distributed. Now it's time to put it into our preheated oven and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. Voila, 35 minutes later it's done. I'm removing the form and the parchment paper and let the biscuit dough cool down. Once the biscuit dough is cold, I'm creating a flat level surface that is at the right height to cut the dough into 3 layers. I lay the knife on that flat surface and cut back and forth until I cut through. This way I get a nice clean cut. I do the same thing again, and then I have 3 layers of biscuit dough.